If you want to link your GOG account to Cyberpunk, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. This is useful if you want to connect your game library, manage your account properly, and launch Cyberpunk from the right platform without any confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, go ahead and open the GOG application on your computer. Once it loads, look at the top left corner of the page and click the gear icon. This gear icon opens your settings and account options, so it's the place you need to go to start the linking process. After you click the gear icon, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, select Add Friends and Games. Once you open that section, you should see an option that says Connect Account. Click on Connect Account to continue. This is the part where GOG lets you link another platform that already has Cyberpunk in your library. Now you'll see a list of supported applications and platforms. Choose the application where you currently own or installed Cyberpunk. For example, if your game is on another launcher, select that app and follow the login or authorization prompts on screen. Make sure you complete the connection process carefully so GOG can properly recognize the linked account. Once the account is connected, you're almost done. Now you can launch Cyberpunk directly from the app you connected, and GOG should handle the link between the accounts. This makes it easier to access your game and keep everything organized in one place. If the game doesn't launch right away, just double-check that you selected the correct platform and that the account connection completed successfully. And that's it, you've now linked your GOG account to Cyberpunk. I hope this helped make the process simple and stress-free. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.